You were just a baby when you had a baby, but you knew what to do. Said that it just clicked, told me the reason is you were just looking out for you. And through it all you never fall or fail or crumble. No, you'd stand tall, never let yourself stumble. You were my very first soulmate, the healer of my heartbreaks, the keeper of my good days, the one who chased my nightmares away. You were my very first soulmate, the fixer of my mistakes, the comfort on my bad days, the one who make a home for me to stay. My soulmate. Don't put yourself down, heavy burden is your crown, 'cause I owe it all to you. You're my superhero, just look in the mirror, there's nothing you can't do. And through
we were sitting in a parked car, talking about anything we want. That's when you stole my heart. I wish that summer never stopped. We'd drive around till midnight, hoping we wouldn't get caught. No matter how far we went, we'd end up in a parking lot. We were just two kids in love, so unexperienced, living in the present, no clue where we were headed. Dim glow from the street lights, painted yellow across your face, staring in your emerald eyes, but I had nothing to say. Your eyes flashed through the darkness as you sang me old songs. I felt your love embrace me, and I knew you're where I belong. We were just two kids in love, so unexperienced, living in
all you never fall or fail or crumble. No, you'd stand tall, never let yourself stumble. You were my very first soulmate, the healer of my heartbreaks, the keeper of my good days, the one who chased my nightmares away. You were my very first soulmate, the fixer of my mistakes, the comfort on my bad days, the one to make a home for me to stay. You were my very